Wow, lettuce.
Oh, look at the lettuce.
Strawberries.
Gosh. We're at the strawberry farm. We already picked one. She's right there. That's our first strawberry.
Lettuce.
No, I found my first one.
Thank you, love.
Kali.
Para dyan, oh. Mira si Kali nga.
We already found our first strawberry.
Parang ganito ba yung nakita natin?
Ito ano to, ano?
Tatanungin ko nga yan, parang
Alugbati ba?
hindi, love, iba yun. Alugbati. Ang alugbati parang
Purple yung
spinach.
stem eh.
Dad, we found our
Broccoli, ang ganda. So there's celery,
We found a strawberry already.
lettuce, strawberry, lettuce,
Ano to, ice?
Brio
tomato.
strawberry. We found a Brio strawberry.
Ano yun, love?
Iceberg ko na variety ng lettuce.
Oo. Gaano katagal to bago ma-harvest? Ha? 20 days. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Smells.
Are these
Ito,
strawberries or tomatoes?
look closely. Tell me if it's tomatoes or strawberries.
Let's see. Strawberry tomato. Those are. Mommy, I
Oh.
want the pink one.
What? Anong gusto mo ito?
So guys, just feel... Sila lang ba magpipick?
Tayo din. Oo. Tigi-tigi sa per bata na ano.
Ito oh. Kung may pink na ano,
Pink daw.
ay yun yung red daw. Ay, okay.
Ayan, oh, yun. Samahan mo na.
Oh, the strawberries are hard.
Ako pwede.
Just cut on the
Okay.
stem.
On the stem, okay?
On the stem.
Very good.
I got two. I also get some that will ripen Manila.
Okay.
Go, Kali. Keep
You
going.
mix. Kali, here, I found red ones. Here. Come here, Kali.
This one.
The leaves are itchy.
The leaves.
Be careful.
Use your hand. Use your hand. Use your other hand too. Drop your basket. Yeah, use your other hand.
No, yeah,
No,
no,
pull
no,
out
no,
the
no, no.
strawberry first.
Pull out the strawberry.
There.
I'll go along.
And
And
then cut
then
the stem.
Cut the stem that you see.
You move closer so it's easier.
Just the stem, okay?
The leaves are itchy.
Oh, the leaves are itchy.
I got a bunch of strawberries.
Move closer.
Look at my strawberries. Look at my strawberries.
There you go.
Good.
Yay! The leaves are itchy, Dad.
Oh.
Where's the stem? Ew. No, the squishy.
Okay. Smells like strawberries.
They are strawberries. Look at my basket.
Fish flower and white flower and strawberry. Your experience?
Good.
What did you observe? Or
So, strawberries are not only in this like whatever triangle-y kind of like shape. Some of them are shaped different. Like I saw one that's kind of shaped like an apple.
I saw one that's shaped like a tooth.
A tooth.
Yeah. So how long before you can harvest strawberry after you plant it?
2.5 months, and this bridge does not feel safe.
Did you have fun?
Yep.
Being a strawberry farmer for
And I have a strawberry on my
minutes.
head. It's a hat though.
So you're our first pick, right?
Yeah.
There's lettuce and... Ano yung madahon? Yung medyo malaki. Sa gilid.
Di ko alam, pero may onion din sa gilid, oh.
Yung onion, oh. Yung straight lang pataas, di ba?
Oo. Pero hindi ko alam yung pa-wide umbrella. So they
Malunggay.
hindi. So that's different
Don't
setup.
count on me.
They maximize their space through that.
Are not my strong suit.